Bob is challenging his inner Barb and his inner Slim Potato Head. Woo-wee! Ta-da! Oh, be careful. Remember, you're the one that knows how to drive the camper. Hey guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld.
It's K&M Ride Day. Where did we ride?
We went back into Glacier. We're taking you on a hike of 2 beautiful waterfalls.
And we want you to watch the video through the end because we're going to show you an epic place where to have lunch. So stay tuned.
Before we start this video,
we want you to think about subscribing to our channel. Why? Because we're all about RV life, K&M Spyder rides. It's free for you and it helps us out.
we also want you to give us a thumbs up because that allows YouTube to pass our video on to more people to share.
So let's get on with the video. So today we're entering Glacier National Park on the east side, which is in St. Mary's, Montana.
Today's a beautiful day, a little cloudy, about starting out at 50 degrees, going on an epic hike. Today, entering the park, we actually got to the checkpoint and they actually did check us in. It's a $2 entry fee and it's for 3 days.
We want you to sit back, relax, feel the glacier air in your face, take in the views, because we're going to tell you about the terrain and the waterfalls. The terrain starts out flat and void, but quickly you're going to rise up into the pines. Then it opens up into the first beautiful views of St. Mary's Lake. From there, it's back and forth, trees and views, till you break out into heaven. Want to get closer to heaven? You're going to have to hike up. So it's day 2 of going to the Sun Road, and we are doing the St. Mary's Trail all the way over to that waterfall right there. And we've got bear spray.
Gotcha.
And so we're just going to take our time because we want to enjoy the hike as well, not be surprised by any animals. And so it feels great right now. I do have my sweatshirt on, but coming here was like we were in a freeze. The glacier itself, the park, you get that icy feel, you know, from, I think that's everything melting. Kumbaya, kumbaya. I don't remember the words. So it's 1.5 miles to St. Mary's Fall. But you have to remember what goes down must go up, and sometimes you do have to go up before you're allowed to come down. The remnants from whenever it was they had the fires through here. And I'll try to provide some information on that here.
Back in 2015, Glacier suffered a major fire that destroyed 4,000 acres. It also destroyed a ranger station. The park had to be closed due to warm temperatures that fueled the fire.
Barb's in her natural habitat. Yep, see? Showed you. Can't lie.
The trail itself is rocky. Got a little bit of roots every now and then, but not too bad. Maintained, that's for sure, and very well signed.
Today on our hikes, we're going to be taking you on the St. Mary's and the Virginia Falls. It's a 6-mile hike in and out, and it's pretty challenging, not too bad. The big thing we want you to know is you need to get there early because it's a very popular hike to these two beautiful falls.
Yes, yes it is. Are you ready for this, guys? Wow. The power of the waterfalls is incredible. There's a cave down there. Anybody want to go swimming down there? The St. Mary's hike, and you're going to be at 4,737 feet. The falls drop 35 feet at 3 separate tiers.
Barbie doing the ceremony, foot in cold water. Bob will pass on that one.
Yes, I put my foot into St. Mary's Falls. Now we're going to head on to the Virginia Falls. Little mountain stream. Heading to Virginia Falls. Is this like hopscotch? Yeah. Oh, that felt good. I didn't need to put my foot in the waterfall. It's right there. I like my Keens. They're good for most kind of hiking. Dry hiking and also wet. Bob's are the same way, except he's got socks on. So they make the wet a little more difficult. For the Virginia Falls, the elevation is going to be 48-45, and along the way you're going to pass 2 unnamed cascades and waterfalls, multi-tiered, and drops 50 feet. Wow. Into the mist, Barb. Into the mist. Wow, Bob. It's too slippery for Barb to put her foot in over there. Too slippery. That is... I love it. I don't know if it's the most amazing waterfall I've ever seen. Continues on down till you get to the other one. So I'm sure we're not even at the top of, this is probably Virginia, but not the top of it yet. I'm in it. There's the moon. So onward and upward. Oh, no, that'd be too big of a step for Barbie. Ah! Slippery. Okay. Wow. Would I hike to Virginia Falls again? Hell yeah. So what if I'm soaking wet and my butt's wet? I don't care, I love it. It's a little more intense than St. Mary's, but if I can do it, anyone can do it. And it wasn't that hard for me. Look at Bob being adventurous. Don't have to put my foot in this water when my whole body was in it. Now it's downhill all the way, which is nice, until you get to the part where you have to go uphill to get to the parking lot. But let's go get Blue Spidey and let's ride. Ooh, I definitely get a feeling of vertigo or whatever. Let's fall down the mountain. But I'm gonna sit down and we're gonna eat. We got pork rinds, carrots and celery, peanuts, and some teriyaki jerky sticks.
After these two beautiful hikes, we did stop for lunch along the route, and it was an epic pull-off spot. I mean, we were way up overlooking a valley that had a massive creek with like a waterfall running through it. So you couldn't have found a better place to stop on the route to eat lunch for sure.
And I was serious in the video when I said that I felt like vertigo or something standing on the edge. I could just have went and been gone because it just was so overwhelming, the gravity wanting to pull you down.
Yeah, it was absolutely beautiful spot to eat our keto lunch today.
I'd say it's the best spot we've ever had
Yeah.
lunch at.
Yeah.
So we hope that you like this video. We hope that you'll give us a thumbs up.
Yep.
We hope that you'll smash up that notification bell. Of course, Bob wants you to
Give us your comments. Let us know. What do you think about this hikes today? Do you like to hike? Do you like waterfalls? Give us your comments.
Would you eat lunch on the edge of the cliff there?
Yep.
So you guys have to remember that we're HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our incredible world.
Bye!